Before we start this Dollarama haul, I just want to show you what I created with my daughter. The glasses were from Dollar Tree, the beads were from Dollarama, except for the princess ones. Just shows you can create something very simple. And the paint was from Dollarama or Dollar Tree, and the paper was from Dollarama. So you can create cute stuff for Valentine's Day on a budget. So let's get into our Dollarama haul, or I should say new finds. So these brooms are new at this location. They're really, really soft bristle. I prefer a hard one, but these were definitely new. These are back in stock, I guess new to some people, and they're $4.75. In the makeup section, they have one as well. And then we have the round cake pan, and we have the Wilton cake pan. They are both $5 each. So I'm going to do my best over the next couple of videos to try and slow down when I do videos because people want to see more of the items. Keep in mind, Dollarama prices range from $1 up towards $5. Usually the more expensive looking stuff and brand name stuff are $5 and the bigger things are $5. Just keep that in mind. And let's continue. So this is not new to the store, but I have this and I highly recommend it. It's really good. So I was actually on this hunt for more of the glasses that went viral, and as you can see there isn't any here. And we do have some new bowls which I think are really cute, giving this geometrical shape, and they have a blue line, black line over it. These are also new as well. So, you know, always checking your sections to see what else is new and upcoming in the stores. I love checking daily. These are, I think these are just not new. I don't think these are new. The plates seem like they're from a new line. I'm not entirely sure. These are the Starbucks cup dupes that people are going crazy over, and they just look exactly like the ones. And this is new, a multi-purpose blanket. I just like the colors on these. I wish it was a red one, but great for picnics and such. And then these new tablecloths for the summer, the hummingbird, that one was really beautiful. They range, I think they're $5. They have some new pillowcases, very beautiful as well. And a headrest or neck and back rests. They have some different styles in those as well. And those were, I think, were $4.75, I believe. Again, the prices range. You just have to check your local store. They have so much different things, and I love these pillows and throws. A great way to add to a gift, especially during this winter time. Fleece is always good. So these were very hard to find, and the Serratiano set for jewelry containers and stuff. I didn't know that there was many different styles, so I only found this one. Don't need it, but it was really cute. Now these are really nice. I've seen the exact same ones at HomeSense and Marshalls, so if you want it, buy it. So, and it's a fraction of the cost. And then we have some new vases here. These are new for the spring. And of course, some new vases as well as their pot plants and stuff. Saw these again. They're still here, still sold out at some stores, but I think it might be a regular item. These were new, but they were broken. I'm not sure what happened, but I guess they're for like keys and stuff. So when you're choosing stuff at these stores, you got to make sure you get the ones that look proper and they're put together and not falling apart. Generally, they're usually pretty good, but with anything, when you're taking them out of boxes, some things fall apart, which is inevitable. So we have the black frames or the mirrors and the white mirrors. I know people have been looking for these, and these have been on trend. It's going with the Bridgerton theme. These have been pretty on trend. They're not new, but I'm finding a lot of decor sets and inspirations have them. These are supposedly really good. They have a really bright light. And let's see what else we got here. I thought this was new, and then I realized, no, I've seen this before, but I just thought it was cute. So they rebranded this as the Calvin brand, and some of their items have gone up in price. So like, for example, these used to be $1.25 and now they're $1.75. You know, I have a gripe about the price increase. I know, I get it. This is life, but still. So these washi tapes are new as well. I haven't seen these before. And it looks like the hand is back in stock. I don't know if this is going to be like a standard thing that they're going to have, but very nice. So we have some new butterfly stickers. We have some new wooden stickers. I like that they're always coming up with new stickers because you know how I feel. And the butterfly stickers, I feel like butterfly stickers are going to sell out. These are back in stock. I love these to add this accents to things. They are really cute and they're really good. And what is this? Oh, this is clay. This is a new clay. Haven't seen this before. $1.25 or 75, I should say. This bead pack, they have them back in stock. These beads are new. The only thing is you have to, you know, use a couple packs of those because you might not get all the letters. Now this is new. This is $4.75 and it comes with a whole entire pack of items for beading. Now I thought this was so cute. You're So Hot, and it's a pepper or jalapeno pepper. Now I'm going to be going in different sections because I actually went to 2 different stores, so things might be out of order. So, but nonetheless, still good stuff. So these are not new, but I just always like looking at the Easter section to see if I find anything new. These I haven't seen before. And those rabbits, supposedly they're from a name brand, like a knockoff. I don't remember what brand it was, but I know people have been talking about those. Now these Easter clear balloon setups are really cute. I'm not sure how well they turn out. Dealing with clear balloons is very difficult. As you know, I do balloons on the side and you have to have a lot of patience sometimes. So I'm not sure how good that kit is, but if you've tried it or anything, let us know. And we have those Easter banners, and then we have the wood Easter eggs. I love those. I really do. I really, really love the wood Easter eggs. So the store was actually doing inventory that day, so I couldn't get the best clips because I had to be walking around the workers, but nonetheless, still was able to get a few things to look at. Now these teddy bears, haven't seen them before, but I thought they were cute because they have the headband. This one was my favorite one. Very well made, and these were $5, I believe. Now I feel like this is a high-end brand. I don't remember, but there's shampoo, and this is new, the Tresemme color mask. I usually don't buy beauty products here, not because of anything, but just because I have sensitive skin, so I have to be careful what I buy. And Orange Blast Blistex, some lip glosses. We have this pot lip gloss, haven't seen this before. It's exfoliant from Spa Selections, I think. Is that what it's called? I can't remember. I've been seeing people buying this eco-friendly cleansing kit and they have no complaints about it, so that's good because, you know, gotta do your part to save the environment to some degree. Everybody has been going crazy for these lip tints. I don't know how good they are, but hey, I bought one. Haven't tried it yet. Now, when you see Joey brand, you know they're from Walmart, and they had a few stuff from that brand here. Then we have this grapefruit tools. I never realized how many tools you can have in your kitchen. Do we really need all these? But I mean, they're just cute to have. Then you have Tavolo, avocado seed taker outer creamer. I don't even know. Anyways, we have the Meow can opener from Joey. Is it how you pronounce it? Anyways, it was $5. And then some new cupcake holders. I do like their cupcake holders. Sometimes I get them to do crafts as well. So I love looking at these Spider-Man or these licensed lunch bags, you know, for like the littles. And then there's a price. They were $6. So you're saving probably about $1 on buying them. these squeeze containers for your sauces and stuff for lunch. And then these bags to add food and stuff. I've never used them before. Has anybody used them before? I haven't used them before. And then we have a new lunch bag. I think that's a reasonable price because lunch bags are not cheap. So for a little kid, $5, you can't go wrong with that. And then over here we have, this looks like the spring designs for the Scotties paper tissues. And it's $1.50 for a box. These recycled bins with iDesign are new. I love the plastic bins. I'm not sure they were supposed to be stacked on top of each other, but I did anyways. But these are $3.75, and these I think were $2.75. I couldn't separate them. Nonetheless, a great recycled plastic if you're into that. I've bought InDesign products before and they're pretty good. So these are back in stock as well. These are a newer item and they're $5, and I've seen them before in HomeSense and stuff. And of course, I found the infamous glasses that everybody's been looking for, going crazy over, all over my TikTok page. It's crazy. It's so funny. Now, I went over to the crafting section at this other location. I love looking about the pipe cleaners, the pom-pom balls. I like how they have the pastel colors for that because you can use them for so many different things. I just love like the wooden craft kits. Like they're $2. They come with the paint set, everything. And if you have kids in the summertime, you just give them this to do and they can just go at it for, even if it's 45 minutes, it's a good activity to do. Make your own macrame kit. There's a lot of that. And then you can do, look at these classic pouches. You can customize them with your Cricut if you have one. These were really new. These mats were new and they're really nice. I thought these were really, really nice for the price. Again, I think these were $5 or $4.75, but really nice. I think you would need some grip at the bottom because they're thin. And then, of course, we saw the hand again at a different store. I was actually looking for these filigree borders, as you can see at the top. I think they're really nice. And this is a garden. I'm actually planning for my daughter's party. She's only going to be 1, I get it, but I like to look at the stuff from now. And I'm doing like a fairy theme. So stay tuned for that. Ooh, queen bee. Some people call me that. That was very random. There's the wooden drawers people are looking for. And this little cute mini birdhouse. Yeah, the drawers, people have been looking for them, going crazy over them. Lots of wood stuff. And then these wood drawers are new. They're stackable. It's bamboo, and I mean, that's pretty versatile. They're $5 each. They're storage bin. We also have our watering cans and then high spout sprayer from Schmidt. I know that brand is sold at like Home Depot and stuff. Never seen this caramel popcorn before, but I love caramel corn. These I'm very happy about because they stopped selling it in Canada for a while and you could only get it in the States, and then it came back. So if you go to Dollarama, try them. They're really good. And I don't eat these, but Blue Heat, I don't know, is this new or is this just a thing? I don't know. And then let's keep walking around to see what else we can find. I know people are very excited about these, I guess they're bath, wrist, and headbands. They're so cute, the Bluey version. They have a few. They have the Minnie Mouse, and they have the Disney princesses. And these are $5. Also, this is new as well. These organizers with the bamboo top. And then I like these cushion bath pillows. If you have like, you know, a bath and you want to soak it there, it's nice. This facial cleansing brush. They have a lot of these at Dollarama. Dollarama has been stepping up their makeup game, I have to say. And then we have, this is some pH lip oil. Never used it. I have no idea what it's used for. There was a one-off of these gel heel protectors. It's so random when they have one off. It's like, was it really good? Powder puffs. These are mini ones. They're $1.25. I think there was 4 of them in there. Let's see what else we have. So we have more storage solutions for the Sarah Tenio line. And then she has a few stuff. There's a lot of stuff that ended up at Dollarama, but just not the drawer with storage. It didn't come up there. Conair, Everyday Essentials. Lots of brand names at Dollarama. I love it. I love it so much. These are really, really good because you sell them at HomeSense and Marshalls and stuff. Back onto the Valentine's Day section. I know I've said it before, but I'm like, are people into gnomes anymore? It was such a fad, and now it's just kind of died down. I don't know if people are still buying these. I know commenters have said before that we kind of, North America ruined it, but I mean, that's how we are. If we love something, we go crazy. We go all in. Oh, these mugs are new as well. This is from last year. And then look at summer. Look at summer full throttle, okay? I thought these chalks were cute. Anyway, I hope you enjoy this little walkthrough, and I hope you're having a wonderful weekend. If you love this type of content, stay tuned for more great stuff and more great finds. Talk to you soon. Bye.